So guys, let's start our trading session. Today I got $500 on my balance. I'm gonna open $350 positions today. I'm gonna make approximately $3 or $4,000 out of this, and I will eventually withdraw the money to my Bitcoin wallet. All the currency pairs with the best buy rate have already been picked out. And what strategy you think we're gonna use today? First of all, let's pick out the indicators. The first of the will be in the fractal. We're gonna monitor the local highs and lows, general and local trends. Also, let's us choose the Kellner channel and keep its settings as they are. Don't change anything, and their size is gonna be our main indicator today. To begin with, we need to figure out trades, their directions. I want to play out the downtrends today, and their size is gonna help me with that. Let's configure their size and set the period 100, and let's analyze the currency pairs and find the most promising one. Okay, let's remove the oversold zone and overbought zone and keep the middle moving average. Width is 50, and let's analyze the market. We need to find the downward movement, and it should be lower than the level 50 on the RSI. And I'm gonna remove all the currency pairs that are above this level. And so now we can clearly see that the flat movement dominates on every currency pair. The moving average as the level 50 here, so and we can conclude that the best option here is playing out the flat instead of the downtrend. And let's set the period 14 for that, and our board and our sold zone should be 70 and 33 respectively. So we're gonna consider that the crossing of the oversold zone and overbought zone. Okay, and let's get started, guys, and find a currency pair for the most promising trade entry, guys. I think this one looks good. Let's open a long position. We're trading on 1 minute time frame. I will point out the workspace and I explain the principle of trade entry, guys. We can see the crossing of the overbought zone and the RSI. We should expect the upward movement here. We can also point out the support zone. It's both local and general support. In all these cases, the price was rejected. And we also see the price got out of the inner channel, then this huge dump followed it up, and the next move is gonna be the pullback to the upside, and that's why we opened the long position. And let's see what's gonna happen. I'm okay with the price movement by now. There are literally 15 seconds left before the closing. The breakout is gaining momentum, and we should just wait a little. Okay, so guys, the first one has been closed in profits. Win-win option. The signal was absolutely reliable, and there is no stopping here. We got 800 on our balance already, and let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. By now, the flat definitely prevails of the market, and the RSI barely show us anything good, so I guess I'd rather play it out from the Kellner channel. So I'm gonna open a short position here. I will select the workspace. First of all, take a look at the RSI reversal here. It's going down now. We see this pump to the upside. The price broke of the inner channel, and it tells us that the pullback should take place and a small correction as imminent. The price should continue going down, and that's why we open the short position here. Pretty simple situation. Yeah, I focused it more on the outer channel movement, so the price broke out of the channel, and there are literally 10 seconds left before the closing. You see the breakdown has already happened and come back to the inner channel, and basically it's exactly as it should be. And yep, another position, yeah, another position has been closed with a profit, guys. There most than $1,100 on our balance. I'm really happy with it. And let's continue analyzing and trading. There's not something here. Well, I can't find a proper trade entry so far. Let's find something else. I guess we can open a short position here. We look at the Keltner channel, but the RSI also gives us the signal. In this case, we see the price bounce out of the 50 level, and we see the impulse to the downside. Also, I want to bring to your attention this zone. Here the price started going up for a little correction. We see the trend reversal, and I think the price should continue going down, and our position is going to be in profits, guys. I want to mention once again that this is very flexible, flexible strategy. And guys, I want to say you about my Telegram channel. Into my Telegram channel, you can find a secret strategy, and all links you can find in the description. And there's 5 seconds left before the closing, guys. There we go, and our position is in profits. We got $1,400 on our balance, and we are got almost 1,000 in profits today. And we're not gonna stop here. Let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Well, let's take a look at the euro against USD. So I think it makes sense to open a short position here. Our signal is based on both indicators. First of all, we take into consideration the updating of the local highs. Also take a look at this correction. This resistance zone is playing out here, after which the price is likely to move down. Also, I want to point out that the reversal on the RSI with indicated the price reduction. The pullback should be over by now, and price should continue going down. So already see the downward dynamics here, and the next candle should also have the same downward dynamics. Nice trade entry level, guys, and the volatility is also not so high, and I'm okay with that. Yeah. And there are literally 5 seconds left before the closing, and our short position has been closed in profits, guys. There $1,600 on our balance, another win position. As you could see, we didn't play it out from the RSI of the country. We focused on the Kelton channel more, and we also paid attention to the local highs and lows, and that's why our position ended up in profits, guys. So let's play out this currency pair. The pilot rate here is 90%, very nice one. And I think we should open a long position here. I will explain the principle of trade entry. We can see that the candle has a strong volatility. We can point out this important level 50 on the RSI. After, with the moving average strategy starting going up, there were no reversals. We can observe the updating of the local lows, and here you see the uptrend. First of all, the correction that happened, that was a huge jump, and now the price should continue its movement to the upside, and that's why we open a long position here. There are literally 20 seconds left before closing, guys, and my thinking is that the breakout is going to happen on the last seconds, and so let's watch the price movement. Friends, I hasten to inform you that you can find all private information in my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description under this video. Free access is valid for a limited time, so follow the link faster and register. Don't forget join my Telegram group with free signal. When topping up your account, use my promo code and you will receive an additional 50% bonus to your deposit. There we go. Our position has closed with a profit, guys. You got $1,900 on balance. I want to remind you that we started from $500 and we already got $1,500 in profits. It took us several minutes and that's excellent outcome. So net stopping here, guys. Let's open one position and then we're gonna all in, and that's gonna be our final position, and then we're gonna call it the night and draw the money. And let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Well, we got to find the best bio trade, and let's stop on this one. And I guess we open the short position here. We already opened at the this currency pair. The price movement seems very clear to me here. The support zone played out of the local low was updated. The price starting going up and the entry the channel. Then the price got rejected from the upper boundary of the channel, and I think it's going down for a correction. And that's why we opened the short position here, and we playing out from this correction. As we can see, we have a nice trade entry level, although the price is going up now. Our trade entry point, it was above, then there's no chance that we lose here. And there are literally 10 seconds left before the closing, and because of the candle's low volatility, we're in profits like 100%. There are several seconds left, guys. Yep. And this one has been closed in profits. We got $2,300 on our balance, and let's change the trade amount, put down $1,000 here, and let's find the better currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Well, let's examine this one, and we should open two short positions, guys. I will explain the principle of trade entry. If you look at the RSI, we see the reversal and the rejection from the overbought zone that happened. We see a strong upward dynamics here, and after that the correction is imminent, and that's why we open short positions. We also see the updating of the local highs, and also the support zone played out here, and the price should start moving down. Yeah, the candle has really high volatility so far. I'm fine with the price dynamics. There's 10 seconds left before the closing, and the candle's closing is gonna happen in 30 seconds. And by now the price is below the trade entry level, and I think that this position is gonna end up in profits. Yep, we go at $4,000 on the balance, exactly as I promised it to you guys. I planned to make 4,000, and there we go. I proved that to you, and I hope you made sure that my strategy is simple and consistent. So let's get down to the withdrawal to my Bitcoin wallet. Let's withdraw $4,000. Press the continue button. That's it. Our transaction is being processed, and I will attach the screen where it's done as always. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget about my Telegram channel, about my VIP group. If you have any questions, write me on the DM. Thank you guys, and bye bye.